From the south to the north, as our snowmans are starting to melt, we would like to say thank you for this amazing winter wonderland. Here in the south for a very short time, we got to skip work, skip school, go sledding, throw snowballs, practice writing our names in the snow. My husband wrote me a very nice love letter. As a rancher, we tried your tips for breaking ice in water troughs. Thank you. My neighbor even sent me the video of her basketball experiment. We may not have the right clothing, but we sure did enjoy the snow. Oh God! The winter wonderland is officially melting and getting mushy. Ugh.